So next on our trick-or-treat list is a favorite. If you're of age, you got plenty of Tootsie Rolls in your trick-or-treat bag, right? Tootsie Rolls are pretty good candies, right? They're not bad. They're old school, but they're not bad. I don't know kids like Tootsie Rolls now, but they probably say, oh, that's old. Anyway, so to make this, we're going to go with 2 ounces of a rye. One ounce of a sherry, right? This is a Pedro Ximenez sherry. Sweet. It's going to give it, this is where the sweetness is going to come from. We're going to go 1 ounce. I guess you could probably like use some like chocolate liqueurs or whatever, but we're not doing that. We're going fancy. Now, the chocolate comes from some chocolate bitters, right? We got some Aztec chocolate bitters. We're going to go 6 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ish, 6-ish. Next, we're going to add some ice to our glass, and then we're going to stir it. Get those flavors incorporated and chilled. Strain it into our glass. Roll garnish. You can go with cherries also, but I think that looks cooler. Enjoy this Tootsie Roll Martini. Surprisingly, it almost tastes like a Tootsie Roll. See, stuff like this would be maybe good also for shots at parties, right? For your Halloween party, the same with the other ones we're going to make, right? You can make them into shots for your guests, for whatever games you're playing, right? But thank you.